Imagine waking up in the back seat of a 12-year-old sedan, condensation on the windows, and knowing you've got exactly $4 to your name. Now imagine 12 months later, you're pulling that same body, transformed, ripped, and unrecognizable, into the driver's seat of a matte black Aventador. Most people call this a miracle. Jackson calls it Tuesday. This is how he went from a homeless college dropout to a digital mogul in 365 days. A year ago, Jackson was invisible. He was carrying 50 pounds of stress weight, hidden under a faded, oversized gray hoodie. His face was puffy, his eyes were bloodshot from sleeping in parking lots, and his skin was sallow from a diet of gas station burritos and cheap energy drinks. He spent his nights hunched over a cracked laptop in the front passenger seat, typing until 4 a.m. by the glow of a flickering street lamp. He wasn't just broke, he was broken. The world had written him off, and honestly, looking at those tired, unfocused eyes in the rearview mirror, he'd almost written himself off too. But then, something shifted. It wasn't a lucky break, it was a choice. Jackson decided that if he was going to be tired anyway, he might as well be tired from building an empire. He started treating that cramped car like an office and a gym. He traded the burritos for discipline. He spent every waking second mastering the digital markets, staring at that cracked screen with a new kind of intensity. You can see it in the footage from that transition. The posture starts to straighten, the jawline starts to peek through the puffiness and that look of desperation. It turned into a laser-focused, quiet rage. Look at him now. The bloating is gone, replaced by a chiseled, handsome face and eyes that are piercingly confident. That soft, slouched frame is now a high-performance, athletic physique. He doesn't sleep in his car anymore. He lives in a glass penthouse overlooking the city he used to wander as a ghost. The cheap hoodie is gone, replaced by bespoke designer fits that actually mirror the man inside. Jackson didn't just change his bank account, he rebuilt his entire DNA. The car is different, the clothes are different, even the way he breathes is different. But the most important part, he's just getting started. If a guy in a backseat can do this, what's your excuse? Stop dreaming, start building. Subscribe for the next evolution.